Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to face swap in Capcut. Alright, so let's begin. First, open the Capcut app and go to the bottom menu where it says Templates. From there, tap on Search Templates and type Face Swap. You'll see a variety of face swap templates, just pick one you like. For example, I'll select one and tap Use Template. Next, choose the image you want to use for the face swap from your photo library, then tap Next. The face will now appear in the video, but it might not line up perfectly. To fix this, tap on your video or image, then go to Crop and adjust it so it fits the template better. If it's still slightly off, go back to cropping, tweak the position, and check it again until it looks right. You can keep adjusting for a more perfect alignment or switch to a different template if you prefer. Once you're happy with the result, tap play to preview if the face should now move naturally along with the original face in the video. Finally, tap export to save your project or share it directly to TikTok. And that's it. So that's basically how you can face swap in Capcut. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.